Hey now, you're a math star. Get your game on. Go count. Hey now, you're a math star. Get your game on. Go add. When all that counting is done, we'll be adding sums. How are you, math stars? So we are in module 16, lesson 2 today. And yesterday we learned about a shape with only curved sides, right? But we also learned two-dimensional versus three-dimensional, right? Two-dimensional means flat, right? And three-dimensional is solid, like my cylinder, my solid cup. If it was flat, it wouldn't hold any water. All right, so let's get started on module 16, lesson 2. Say, I can identify and describe squares. Now, I'm pretty sure you already know what a square is, but we're going to identify them and describe them using some math words. So let's look here. I have two different shapes here. What's this one called? Yeah, it's a square. Now, this one is not two-dimensional. It's not flat. Do you remember what this one is called? It's called a cube, right? And this one is two-dimensional, which means flat, right? All right, I'm going to teach you. We're going to describe a square. We're going to, first of all, the sides, are they straight? They're straight lines, right? Okay, with a square, every side is the same. So say 4 equal sides. We're going to say it like that. 4 equal sides. Now, it also has these corners. Let's count how many corners. 1, 2, 3, 4 corners. But I want to teach you a big math word. Are you ready? Vertex. Vertex. Plural, meaning more than one, is vertices. So a square has 4 vertices. And vertices is just a fancy word for corners. All right? You can go impress somebody and say, a square has 4 vertices. And you know what that means now, right? All right, so it has 4 vertices. We counted 1, 2, 3, 4. So a square has 4 equal sides and 4 vertices. I'm going like this for a corner. All right, so now let's go here. Page 409. Which plate is Sue's? His plate has 4 corners and 4 sides of equal length. So let's look. Does this one have any corners at all? And does it nope. So I think we can eliminate that one. Now let's go here. Let's count how many corners. 1, 2, 3, 4. That one has 4 corners. Does it also have 4 sides of equal length? Well, this side seems longer than this side, right? So they're not equal sides. So we almost had it. Now let's look at this one. It has 1, 2, 3, 4. It has 4 corners or 4 vertices, and the sides look equal in length. So I think this one is his plate. What do you think? All right. Okay. You're going to mark an X on the objects that are shaped like a square. Now, this right here, this box that says toys, right? This box has a square here and a square here, but is it two-dimensional flat? Nope. So it's called a cube. So you're not going to want to circle or not going to want to X that one. So find the X's that have objects that are shaped like a square. Keep in mind for equal sides and for vertices or 4 corners. All right, you can pause this while you do that. All right, And here you're going to color the flat shapes. We went over this yesterday. How can you tell if they're flat? Well, technically, I mean, they're all on your paper, so they're all flat on your paper, right? Yes, but these shapes represent maybe a three-dimensional shape. So if it represents a three-dimensional shape, like this looks like a cube, it wouldn't be. And this shading makes it a sphere, right? So you're going to put in, or you're going to color all the flat shapes. So why don't you pause this while you do that? All right. You're going to trace the sides of the square. All right. And how many equal sides are there? Okay, here's a side. I bet you're much better at drawing a straight line than I am. Okay, 4. How many sides are there? 4. How many equal sides are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. How many, here's that big word. How many vertices are there? Let's circle to see. Do you remember what vertices are? They're corners. 1, 2, 3, 4 vertices. All right. Go ahead and write those numbers on the line, and you can pause this while you do that. All right. You're going to mark an X on all the shapes with 4 equal sides and 4 vertices. So remember, this might have 4 sides and 4 corners, but does it have 4 equal sides? Now, before you do this, I want to show you something. Do you see this right here? If I turn it, let's see. If I turn it like this, is that a square? It has 4 equal sides and it has 4 corners, right? Now, I'm not doing anything to this square except I'm rotating it. I'm moving it. Is it still a square? Yeah. I mean, it kind of looks like a diamond, right? But does it matter which direction it is? It's still a square, right? It still has 4 equal sides and 4 corners. So keep that in mind when you're looking at these. Just because it's not maybe straight, maybe it's twisted, it can still be a square if it has 4 equal sides and 4 corners. All right. You can pause this while you do that. Sorry. On your own, 2 questions. You need to go find your homeschool teacher, have them read the questions to you, and then you do the question. Don't forget, it's your time to show them what a fabulous math star you are and all that you know about squares. All right. Have a great day. I'll see you tomorrow.